you. Thanks so much for joining me. I've got a really special kind of journal to share with you today. I have used my Winter Woodlands collection, and it's a special journal because it's a hybrid design. I've designed it completely myself from scratch, and I'm going to be doing several tutorials so that you can recreate this style of journal if you so desire. So it's a little bit different to a normal journal. So we've got this beautiful chipboard cover. It's stunning. And let me just make sure I'm in shot. So if we start off with the front, we've got this lovely pocket here, which is loaded up with beautiful, beautiful photo cards using the digitals from my Winter Woodlands collection. Absolutely stunning, and this is available on my Ko-fi site if you're a monthly subscriber. The digitals are free. The tutorials are going to be free for everybody, so you can create this using whatever papers you like. You don't have to use these. So we've got a 2-inch spine. It's a Midori style binding because I think that's the easiest for journal makers, and that's just the style of journal that I'm making at the moment. So it's a stunning, stunning idea. So what we have is inside we have the hybrid part. It's like a folio style. So here we've got these stacked pockets with a lovely journaling card, or it will fit 6x4 photos on. Okay. And there's room for larger photos as well. So the idea of this is, you know, not just to journal, but also memory keeping. So you're getting the full package in the one journal. You can journal, you can make your beautiful decorative journal, a writing journal, but also you've got room to add photos and memories. So here on this section, we've got another beautiful card here. I've got a little bit of glue on there. This beautiful Arctic wolf, and this will hold 6x4 photos, and you can hold one on the back. And then here we've got a photo mat or journaling spot. I've left it on the blank on the back there so that you can see it's a defined photo area, and that one opens there. And then we've got this beautiful paper on the background there, and a deep pocket for you to put larger 5x7 photos if you so desire. And then that goes like that. Look at that beautiful bunny. Well, it's actually a hare. Okay, so I'm going to be decorating it further. I haven't finished this. I'm just doing a quick flip through so that you can see what we're going to be making. I will be decorating it further, adding things on the pockets and things to the tags. So this stacked pocket here holds my little tags that are in the collection. Beautiful. Absolutely, they're all beautiful. Whether they'll stay in here or whether I'll change my mind of what's going in there, I don't know. There's some more. So these are just the smaller tags. There's room for larger tags if you prefer. Okay, we've got these lovely patterned paper, which just really makes the page pop. Okay, so then if we turn this interactive element over, we've got another folio style element here with 2 pockets with this beautiful snowy owl, and the pattern runs up, and then in each pocket, if I just remove the little paper clip that I've used to hold these, we've got another of the small tags, and then we've got journaling cards. I've left them on the blank on the back so you can journal in them. So each one of these pockets has got a journaling card and a tag. Okay, let me just get that in. Get in. Don't want to go in. Okay, so that's the same. And then at the back here, we've got a full deep pocket. So there I've added one of the January monthly planner pages. I've printed it on cardstock. And then here you've got a huge, huge photo opportunity. You know, double-sided, or you can use it for extra journaling. Or you could not put that in there and put something else in. Okay. Then in the centre section here, we've got a full journal signature. Now, as I say, I've not finished decorating mine. I'm going to be doing some process videos if you want to follow along. But, you know, we've got a lovely, lovely full journal signature there. Okay. You've got a 1.5 inch spine in between there. So there's room for this to grow when it's been decorated. And we've got various pages from the printed and the monthly calendar sheets, and then I've got some dotted ones, plain ones, You know, you can add whatever you like, and I've just added a variety of pages. Probably, you know, change some around. I will be decorating them, adding extra things, but you know, you don't have to fill every page with a flip or a tuck. You could literally just cut these pages, add them in using the elastics, and just leave them plain and do nothing, and just have it completely for writing. What a novel idea to have a journal that you can actually write in. So as you can see, you know, my focus is on writing, but I will be decorating some. Then we've got the elastics here, and the way that I've done it, we've got 2 elastics, but you can't see it on the binding, okay, because we've got a chipboard binding. It's strong enough, okay, to have your elastics going that way. It won't buckle the frame of the journal because it's chipboard, okay. And I've also wrapped it with fabric tape. I will be doing a tutorial, so don't worry. So you've got your full journal there ready to decorate, or you can leave it plain. And then at the back, we've got a repeat of the folio elements. So we've got the double pocket again with the tags and the journaling cards and photo opportunity, or whatever you want to put in there, your memories, you know, your maybe lists or letters or whatever, okay. Beautiful, beautiful papers, absolutely stunning. And then you turn over and you've got a repeat with the pocket and the large photo mat. Look at that beautiful image. Beautiful squirrel there. Turn it again. Photo opportunities. I haven't layered it with paper because you could literally just put a photo straight on there. Or you can add plain paper or more patterned paper. Have it for journaling. Do what you like. You could even add a tuck space there. Okay, and again there, and look at this beautiful image here, which lines this lovely deep pocket. Absolutely beautiful. So again, you can put larger photo mats in there, and just simple closure there with that journaling card, holding it so it doesn't flip about everywhere. And then on the back, we've got a repeat of the stacked pocket holding the pretty tags, and again, room for photos or journaling. So it's quite a simple idea. However, you're getting the best of both worlds. You're getting your folio, photo, memory keeping elements, as well as your journal element. So what a fun idea. If you want to pick up the paper collection, you would need to be one of my Ko-fi monthly subscribers. There's a link beneath every one of my videos, and that video shows you exactly what it's about and how to join. I will be adding this to my Journaling Joy playlist if you want to follow along and see some of the older collections and the other journal that we did last month. And every tutorial I do on this journal will be saved to that playlist. So I hope you will come and join me in making this hybrid style journal, and watch out for the videos. I think there's going to be maybe 3 in total, 1 for the cover, 1 that shows you all of the interactive elements, and then we'll have 1 for decorating. So make sure you're subscribed and come and craft with me. I hope you like that. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.